Walmart Spark is Walmart's independent delivery driver platform, designed to let people earn money by delivering Walmart orders using their own vehicle. Here's how it works in a simple way. First, you sign up for Spark Driver through the Spark app. You'll complete a background check, upload your documents, and once approved, you can start delivering. Inside the app, you'll see delivery offers. These include grocery orders, curbside pickups, express deliveries, or in-store shopping orders. Each offer shows the pay, distance, and number of stops, so you can accept or decline freely. Once you accept an order, you'll pick up the items from the Walmart store or shop for them inside the store, depending on the order type. Then you deliver the order to the customer's address and confirm delivery in the app. You're paid per delivery, plus tips and bonuses during busy time. Payments are sent weekly or through Instant Pay, depending on your setup. The best part, you're your own boss. Work when you want, accept only the orders you like, and earn on your own schedule. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.